Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we have a busy day ahead of us. I got up and me and my roommates got approved for a house. So now that is a huge weight off of our shoulders, like coming out of college now we know where we're gonna live, especially since we have to move out of here in 2 weeks. So that was like getting a little crunch time stressful. So right now I'm just kind of updating my just like work log really quick just to make sure I'm up to date with everything. I am able to, oh my gosh. The AC went on and it just shut my door and that scared the crap out of me. Perfect, we did our logs. Now we can go to the P.O. box. Okay, I made it to my P.O. box and the whole drive over here I was listening to EDM music and trying to find music that's like worth adding to the pregame playlist. But let's go in and grab some PR packages. There was 2 packages in there. One from Nutri and then one from Kiehl's. And Kiehl's is crazy because they just added me to their PR list and they've already sent like 3 packages. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm like so thankful. Thank you. Like I like love Kiehl's. Like my family has loved Kiehl's forever. For Christmas, my mom and I would always get my dad and my brother those like little Kiehl's like skincare packages. Like stocking stuffers of Kiehl's. So like when I got on Kiehl's PR list, I like texted my family and I was like, guys, I'm on Kiehl's PR list, because it was kind of like a family thing that we'd always do. And they were like, oh my god, like my dad's like, see if you can get men's skincare for me. So it's funny. The first mission of today is complete. Yeah, let's go back to campus and let's open these up when we get back because I am very intrigued what's inside of them. Okay, I came home and unboxed them. So the Kiehl's one is this, oops, Rare Earth Deep Pore Minimizing Polishing Powder Cleanser. It's a powder and I've never tried a powder cleanser before. So I'm really excited to try that later. And then it also came with their Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, and it's an Amazonian white clay. And I am so excited to try these because I've never tried anything like it, and I love when we get to try new things together. What I got from Nutri was their Blonde Botox Expert, so it's a blonde hair treatment mask. Okay, time to go to the gym. I have my headphones on and when I put them on, they put the like boop boo doo doo, the sound when it's like almost dead. So I'm like charging it with a portable charger. I didn't know if it would work or not, but it works. This is the gym fit. Don't mind my purse on the floor, but it's like these neon things and then I have this top underneath. All right, let's get this workout in. I did my makeup and I put together my outfit. This is her. I'm very proud of it. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna end up bringing the bag though because I don't really want to carry it, and these pants have such big like pockets in it that I think I'd be fine. I'm wearing these orange Nike shoes. Filmed my like get ready with me on TikTok, so if you guys want to see how I did the makeup, it's on there. And yeah, this is everything else. I'm gonna hopefully vlog a little bit while I'm there, but I'm not gonna bring my camera, so it's gonna be on like iPhone footage. But this is the fit.